can't score those headshots in the First Descendant because of high ping and packet loss on your PC? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue and lower your ping in the First Descendant. So let's start without wasting any more time. Solution 1. Test your internet speed and latency. To do this, visit speedtest.net with a browser of your choice. After the website loads, click on Go. Now the website will test your internet speed and give you all the information about your upload speed, download speed, and of course, latency or ping. If your ping is too high, restart your router and disconnect other devices from the network. After that, check again using the same website. If the ping is still too high, contact your internet service provider and ask them for help. Solution 2. Reset your network configuration settings. First, click on the search icon and type CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, choose Run as Administrator, and click Yes. Now type netsh space winsock space reset and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh space int space ip space reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. After that, check if the error is gone. Solution 3. Use an optimized DNS server. To do this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1111 and press Enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping for this DNS. Next, type ping 8888 and press Enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping for this DNS. After you determine which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now scroll down a bit and click on the Edit button next to DNS Server Assignment. From the top, select Manual and turn on IPv4 if it's off. In the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Now on the alternate DNS, if you're using 1111, type 1001. If you're using 8888, type 8844. Lastly, click Save. Now check if the problem is resolved. And that's all. If the video helped you out, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any kind of questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching as always.